Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is my first video in English, so let's start. I was asked to make one more makeup tutorial video. It seems like nobody didn't ask me, but I actually was asked by 3 people, and this is really a lot for my vlog, so I decided to make a video about Renaissance makeup. One of the features of Renaissance epoch is high interest to human nature and human beauty as well. So makeup became really nude and natural. The main things for women in that epoch was a pure pale skin, blonde waved long hair and natural look, natural beauty. Okay, let's start with skin. It wasn't so easy to have a healthy pale skin in that epoch because of bad condition of hygiene, and actually there were no dermatologists. So women became using a plum foundation. They covered their face with this substance, which gave them a really white, really pale shade of skin. But after using this substance for a long time, their skin got yellow shade, so you had to use this foundation for the whole life. And as well, the Queen Elizabeth I was using this foundation for so long, so her face became really yellow and she had to cover her face like every day to have a pale white skin, and she was called a mask of yours, because her face was really white, and oh, it looked like a mask. I have already covered my face with a foundation, with normal foundation, non-toxic foundation, and it covered all my redness because I have visited my dermatologist a few days ago. So let's imagine that this is a plumper foundation. If you look at paintings from the Renaissance epoch, you will see that every woman has a healthy blush on her cheeks, so I will make it the same. Actually, they was using a quicksilver for this, which is really toxic and totally unhealthy, but people just didn't know about that, so they was using. Okay, now I have a healthy blush on my skin. The next step is eyebrows. As we know, eyebrows were persona non grata in Middle Ages, but they had been returned in Renaissance. So I will make my eyebrows with a pencil. Women in Renaissance had been using a carbon for this, and I didn't find any information about lashes. What did they do with their lashes? So I will not cover my lashes with mascara. I made my eyebrows with a pencil, not carbon, and the next step is lips. For my lips I will not use a quicksilver of any vegetable pigment. I will use a lipstick with really neutral pink shade. Okay, and the next step is hair. Healthy, weight, long hair was a really important thing for women in that epoch, so it explains why did wigs became so popular in Renaissance epoch, as the blonde hair was the favorite. In that epoch, women lighted up their hair with lemon juice and sun. They had the special hats which covered their face and heads, but their hair was outside, and they just spent a few hours sunbathing, and their hair became lighter. On paintings of Tiziano you can see that color of hair. It's like a blonde, light ginger hair color, which was really popular and which was really beautiful actually. I actually have a blonde hair, but this is not my real color, it's not my natural color, but I will try to bring it up to the standards of Renaissance epoch. I am back with my hair, which I tried to make curly, waved. As you see, I'm not a big professional in this, but okay. And this is my makeup tutorial of Renaissance epoch. What can I say? I really like it. It's so nude and neutral, and I actually use this makeup for my daily life. Except foundation, I don't use foundation every day. And the only thing I can add is the mascara on my eyes, on my lashes, and that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Hit some likes, subscribe my channel, follow my Instagram, and thank you for being with me today, because this is my first video in English. I hope my accent wasn't so awful, and see you next week. Bye bye, have a nice day.